This is the face of the new Putin force in Ukraine. Absolute scenes at an airfield in Russia's far east where one man mobilized to fight in Ukraine was so drunk that he reportedly fell asleep in the long grass next to the runway. While Putin is staging his fake referendums in the occupied territories of Ukraine, collaborators go door to door with armed Russian soldiers or local police and force local residents to vote. The most popular game in Ukraine this past summer. Ukrainian HIMARS launch missiles, while Russian pontoon bridges, ferries, ammunition depots and military bases catch them. Catch this one, Ruskies. Morale is high. Glory to Ukraine. Pro-Russian politician Denis Pushilin says Ukraine has mustered serious forces in the north of Donetsk region and could soon launch a counteroffensive there.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.